Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, friends. Hope you are fine. Let's pray first of all together to Almighty Allah that He'll bring us out from this inauspicious pandemic that has engulfed almost the entire world. We have decided that we'll take the poetry section of 12th standard today, and this will be the beginning lecture for the 12th standard, and I have decided that I'll teach Apple Picking, After Apple Picking by Robert Frost. You might be knowing about, After Apple Picking by Robert Frost. This is one of the most philosophical poems of Robert Frost, or we can say that this is one of the most philosophical poems among all the poems which fall in this 12th English poetry section. As you know that this poem has been written by Robert Frost, and Robert Frost was born in America. He was American poet, and he was born in 1874, and he died in 1963. Means if we focus the DOB and date of death of Robert Frost, we come to know that this poet falls in both 19th century and 20th century. This is very important because we have to keep this thing in mind, that the age to which the poet belongs, that impacts a lot when it comes to the literature of that poet. Let us throw light on some biographical details about the author, about the poet, which are very important for us. So first of all, Robert Frost was American. He was American poet. He was American poet. There are certain other poems which are very important as far as Robert Frost is concerned. Let us mention some here. So there are certain poems which are must to note here. For example, Bridge is the poem written by Robert Frost, which is very important as far as the theme of the poem is concerned. And there is one more poem which is very important as far as Robert Frost is concerned, Stopping by Woods. This is one of the important poems. You should also read this poem. This is very important, and it has a good theme also. The poem actually, Robert Frost was called the poet of nature. There are natural themes, themes regarding nature are found in abundance in the literature, in the poetry of Robert Frost. That's very important. After Bridge, there is a poem, Stopping by Woods. Woods on a snowy evening. Snowy evening. Besides this, there is one more poem which is very important that is written by Robert Frost. That is The Road Not Taken. The Road Not Taken. The Road Not Taken. This is also very important poem to remember. So this poem falls in 9th class Tulip series, and it's one of the wonderful poems of Robert Frost. It has a theme which touches to the background of the poet. There is one more poem which is must to note here, and that's Mending Wall. So I remember this Mending Wall was in the syllabus of first year, in previous syllabus that was prescribed for first year students when this semester system was not there. So Mending Wall, this is also one of the wonderful poems. So there is a huge social message in the poem. So you can understand from the very phrase, very title of the poem, that Robert Frost speaks against these walls which have been created. These are not the physical walls that Robert Frost is talking. He's talking about the barriers which a human has created, mental barriers, mental biases. This Mending Wall is very important because Robert Frost does not believe in discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, color, gender, sex, and religion. So these kind of walls have been created. You can find the good theme in the poem also. So this is very important as well. So my dear students, one of the most important points that we should remember about Robert Frost is that since he was called both poet and playwright, so there are two anthologies which are worth to mention here. So one is A Boy's Will, A Boy's Will, A Boy's Will. This is the collection of poetry by Robert Frost. And second is North of Boston. North of, I think there is no it's North of Boston. So actually this present poem, Apple Picking, if we consider, this present poem is taken from North of Boston. Before going to directly to the poem, there are certain points which are important. That's why I'm trying to, write down them on the board. One more important point about Robert Frost is that, he was awarded Pulitzer Prize in poetry. So that's one of the important points that you should remember. So Pulitzer Prize, their students is given. That's one of the prizes, one of the 7 prizes that's given in America for the person who contributes in letters, drama, and poetry. So this is one of the prize. Pulitzer Prize is one of the 7 prizes in America. So Pulitzer Prize he was given. Pulitzer Prize in poetry. Poetry he was given for poetry. So this is one of the important point to mention. And last but not least, which is also important, that Robert Frost was, the poet laureate. He was the poet laureate. He was poet laureate. He was the poet laureate. So what does this poet laureate mean? Who is selected officially for some special occasions, who write on some special events and for some special situations and purposes. So that's why he is actually officially, government selects this poet, because we find, and most importantly, we find some outstanding, themes, some outstanding contribution through his art. That's why he's selected. So this is very important point that you should also remember. So let's directly come to the poem. Dear students, before I throw light on the title of the poem, before we go to the title of the poem, before we justify the title of the poem, let's begin with this philosophical line of Robert Frost. He said once that a poem begins with delight and ends in wisdom. So I'll write this line here because this is very important line. A poem begins with delight and ends in wisdom. Dear students, if you see this ends in wisdom, this is very important because I already said that his poetry is very much philosophical in nature. For example, that's why it ends in wisdom. If we trace the beyondness, if we go through the poetry, if we interpret the poetry of Robert Frost, we cannot meet any conclusion. The example is before you. After apple picking, there are several interpretations of the poem, but still nobody is satisfied. One can go on and on, interpreting the poem if one has that sort of wisdom to understand the poetry. So after apple picking, just we'll be throwing some light on it. Now the title of the poem, this is very important. Let us discuss after apple picking as a title. So from the very title we can understand after apple picking. After apple picking, my dear students, you should understand that if in literal sense we can take this title. In literal sense, this is simply a person who picks apples. So after apple picking, but this after is very important. This after is very important from the title. After apple, it's not apple picking. The title of the poem is After Apple Picking. So you should remember that, but before apple picking there is after. And so apple picking, if we take in literal sense, is the person who picks apples, who keeps himself busy, who is busy with picking apples. That is simply, we can say apple picking an activity. It's an activity of picking apples. Okay, this after I'll interpret later on. It's very important. So when we take this, it's in literal sense. But if the same apple picking is taken from symbolic sense, from metaphoric sense, it does not mean only the literal apples that the apple picker is picking. It means any kind of activity a person, a man is busy with. For example, I'll just try to make you understand about this. For example, when a man, look at that can be the interpretation of the poem later on. When we take the lines, we'll understand these things very well then. Let's throw the light on this very point. For example, after apple picking, the nature of the world is, when a man takes birth in this world, what happens? The first step he takes, he comes into this world, he cries. Why this cry? Philosophically, speaking, this cry is because the man has been brought into this world, and in this world now he has to face a lot of difficulties. He has to face a lot of boredom. He has to face a lot of frustrations at the same time. So since he lives life here, so what he comes across is that these difficulties. But if he is involved in these difficulties, the life is not the smooth survival of the life is not possible. So what happens? The nature of the world is that every person keeps himself busy with some activity. Okay, why to busy with some activity? This apple picking symbolically is not simply picking apples. It means keeping himself busy with any kind of activity. So this apple picking as an activity should not be treated as a literal activity of picking apples. Okay, so it is in fact any kind of activity a person is busy with. Okay, involved with. Why? He is involved with those activities because he wants to keep himself away from that boredom, from those frustrations, from those difficulties, so that he can have smooth survival. He wants to forget all about that. Hence apple picking. So if I am busy with this activity right now, there are several difficulties, certain frustrations and tensions that are occupied in my mind. Okay, so I just try to keep myself away from that boredom. Hence I am busy with this activity. So this activity of teaching even can be treated as apple picking. So you should understand this symbol. This is very important. We can understand the poem from the very first line. So there are certain other points also one should remember from the poem we can understand. For example, the apple picker. Look at the after. I said I'll throw light on after apple picking. So when the apple picker is busy picking apples, he at one point of time in the poem says that I have had too much of apple picking. Look at, I'll write the line here. I have had too much of apple picking. I have had too much of apple picking. This is very important because the apple picker symbolically means that he had done a lot of activities, but now he's tired. He cannot pick further. He cannot go further to do this process. It's a nature. For example, when a man takes birth on this planet, so he is busy with activities. But does it mean that when the time of death comes near, okay, he has completed all the activities in his life? No, we cannot say that he has completed. When a person performs activities, what happens at the end of the day? He is tired, he is exhausted, he loses all the energy, and he lets other activities, he lets other things to be done by next generation. So that's very important also for I have too much of apple picking. Look at the direct connection of this line. We can justify from that very line that the apple picker's activity is not complete. That's yet to complete. Let me try to throw light on that line also. For example, the apple picker says, there is a barrel. There is a barrel. Barrel. I didn't fill. I didn't fill. Look at this barrel, you should understand here. I have encircled this symbol. It's used as a symbol. This barrel literally means container where apples are put. After, when the apple picker picks apples, he puts them in a barrel. So this barrel is symbolically a space where all the activities, since I told you that this apple picking is an activity, and picking one apple means performing one activity in the life. So a man, when he is picking apples, okay, actually symbolically it means that he is performing activities. So, and why does these activities go? For example, if I stand here, I teach you this time. This is also an activity. So symbolically, this apple picking means the activity. So I am right now involved in apple picking. I am doing apple picking right now. Okay, so there is a barrel that I didn't fill. Look at how this line is justified in this line. There is a barrel that I didn't fill. That means the barrel is still unfilled. It's not filled. That's the human nature. Even there are a lot of activities, unlimited activities to be performed. Human nature has unlimited desires, but the nature of human life is that he cannot fulfill all the desires. So that's the case here. There is a barrel that I didn't fill. I have not filled the barrel. Okay, one more important point. So that's the message from the poem, that when we perform activities, that does not mean we perform all the activities. There are certain activities which we leave behind to be performed by others. This is very important, you should remember. One more point, he says about this human activity. This apple picking is a human activity. He says that while performing these activities, we should take proper care. Okay, so look at how he justifies that caring of these activities, or taking care of these activities. He says, lift them. Don't let them fall. Lift them. Don't let them fall. For all that fall down. No matter if not bruised or spiked, went straight in the cider apple heap. No matter if not bruised or spiked, went straight to the cider apple heap. This is very important. For example, the poet wants us that while performing these activities, we should take proper care of performing these activities. We should focus this point, lift them, don't let them fall. This lift and fall, if we lift something down, we take proper care to that till it reaches to the earth. But if it falls down, it will strike to the earth and it will get damaged. So that's why the writer says that we should take proper care while performing these activities. Okay, if we won't take care while performing these activities, no matter it is not seen that we have done something wrong, we have performed these activities wrongly. So that's why the poet says, no matter if not bruised or spiked, went straight to the cider apple heap. That means that those apples went straight to the cider apple heap, to the heap. उस ढेर पे पहुंच जाते हैं. As of no worth, he uses at last, as of no worth. उनका कोई worth, उनका कोई value नहीं होता है. So dear students, we should also take proper care while performing our activities so that we will achieve worth in our life. So I hope that you have understood all these points. So there are certain other things which are worth mentioning from the poem. So when we take the lines from the poem, okay, we'll understand all those things. I hope that you have understood these points very well. I wish you all the best. Thank you.